What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Crick D in the building. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube intro completely free. Stay tuned. What up, what up? Yeah, to make those intros you just seen, it's real simple. All you got to do, you already on YouTube. All you got to do is go to your search bar and type in free intro, no text. And it'll work with any video editor. The Media Player, the paid pro version, the cheap version, the online version. It don't matter what you edit your videos with, you can do that with these templates. And see, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through and click through. You know, here go one right here. Let me show you how to play it. Number 10. It's got with music. It's got with music. And what you want to do is build a template is you want to hit your stuff on notes. Wherever notes is, that's where you want to put like the words and stuff like that. I'm going to show you an example. But see, this is how easy it is to get these templates, and they're free. All you got to do is go right here, download the template that you want, and, you know, put in your video editor. Like I said, it doesn't matter what kind of video editor you got. Now, once you download that template, you're going to come to your video editor. I don't know what you're using, but I'm using Film or Wondershare. And you're going to drop that video in there. See, and once you start making your video, you might want to, you know, put your own pictures on there. It don't matter. However you want to customize this, you customize it. Put your text on there. It's real simple. You know, people do it how they want to do it. You can put texts on there. You can put effects. You can make it look real personalized. But like I said, this is real easy. It's your boy Crick D. Don't take no time to do this. All you're going to do is go to YouTube, type in free intro with no text. You're going to download it. And here goes another secret. If you can't download it, right in front of that Y in the search bar on YouTube, just right in front of that Y, you can do this for any video. Go to the search bar, type in SS, enter. Simple as that. And once you just type it in, it's going to take you to this page. There go the video. You can download, but you want to download video in browser. Don't pay this other stuff no attention. None of it. Like I said, you can download any video off of YouTube this way. Intro, outro, your favorite song, and you don't want to keep using your data, anything. Here you go, bam, download. You know, it's going to take you to some old stuff, try to redirect you to all this extra stuff. Don't even pay that no mind. Just click that download, and you see right here at the bottom, it's download the 10 free intros. And there ain't no copyright strikes and none of that stuff. You might well get with this. And this your boy Crick D. This how you going to make you a YouTube intro. Don't be scared to use this stuff. Use your video editor. I'm going to block that because I don't want that. And you make your own template. It's your boy in the house, and I'm gone!